We are in early warning weather alert mode once again for today, just like yesterday. Unfortunately, the rain continues. We've got a flash flood warning in effect for portions of the state. You'll notice south central Connecticut and portions of southeast Connecticut. Not a very good start. So the flash flood warning is in effect until 8:30. Very heavy rain, flooding is taking place. Be careful. Flood watch in effect through this afternoon until 5 p.m. So everybody take it nice and slow. Once again, we have issued the early warning weather alert. Periods of heavy rain, isolated flash flooding possible. Rain for most of the day. Be careful. It'll taper off by later on this evening through tonight, but we got to get there first. 1 to 2 to 3, maybe even 4 inches of additional rain on the way. All right, we are talking about poor visibility out there, especially where the rain is coming down the hardest. Satellite and radar confirms we have lots of rain to get through. Unfortunately, it's coming in from the south and west. Let me widen out the shot. You can see it all moving through parts of New Jersey, portions of Pennsylvania. You can see over the Virginias, Delaware. It's all marching in our direction. So it's going to be another day of wet weather. Here's Hartford. What a mess this is, right? You've got a lot of rain coming down. You've got a lot of rain coming down in New Haven. We're talking about Windsor Locks, 64 degrees with the rain coming down. You can see it in the foreground of your picture. And Torrington, good morning to you. Things are wet, and look at the small rivers starting to rise there. All right, Waterbury, wet as well. 84 moving along smoothly. Keep your speeds down. Everybody's keeping their headlights on for safety, which is good news. All right, the temperatures out there this morning, low 60s, mid 60s. 70 degrees in New Haven. It's balmy out there in parts of the shoreline, but the dew points, they're a little bit better in inland Connecticut as opposed to the shoreline where it's tropical at a 71-degree dew point. All right, we're down from yesterday, 6 to 8 degrees, warm, cooler than just 24 hours ago. The winds are coming in and out of the east for the most part. You'll notice a 14-mile-an-hour sustained wind in Groton, so the wind is picking up. We could see gusts today to about 20 miles an hour. Now, the dew point trend, it is going to get better through the remainder of the week. Starting tomorrow, it drops a little bit. Gets a little muggy tomorrow during the day, but then it drops for the remainder of the week. And according to early warning futurecast, tomorrow's weather today, it's an hour-by-hour depiction of mostly wet conditions, through 5 p.m. with rain, very heavy rain at times. And then by tonight, you'll start to see it meandering down, tapering off. And by tomorrow, we should see some peaks of sun. Here's the wider perspective of early warning futurecast. Notice the rain marching in from the south and west. This is 2 p.m., 5 p.m., 7 p.m. We're talking about 2 a.m. By 2 a.m. tomorrow morning, things gradually start to taper off, and tomorrow we should see some peaks of sun. All right, in the meantime, today, cooler than average, mid to upper 60s with that rain. More of the same for the shoreline. You guys might make it into the low 70s with rain. Those icons are with us all day today. Temperatures today, upper 60s, low 70s, and your 7-day forecast, 74 tomorrow, with increasing amounts of sunshine. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all looking good. So that's something to look forward to. But in the meantime, take it nice and slow out there.